Hey, I wanted to make a really quick video on something that is pretty important that you should know about. The other day I was cleaning my cabinets, and so I come up here. This is above the range, and so I came up here and I wiped my hand along the top of this, and let me do this with a towel, and then I'm going to bring it over to you and see and show you this. Okay, here it goes. See how dirty that is? Okay, so what is this? Well, this is a combination of dust settling on a sloped surface, but it's also grease that's coming off of the range onto and landing on the hood of your cabinets. Now, it doesn't just land on the hoods, but also your other cabinets to the right and left of your range. It doesn't matter if you have a gas or electric range. This is a problem. Why? Because over time, the greases will become more sticky and it'll break down the polyurethane or the finish of your cabinets. And if you have nice cabinets like these, you don't want to have damage to occur in a short period of time. In fact, it'll reduce the life of your cabinets by quite a bit. So how do we deal with that? So we use ProSol Works. And ProSol Works is a concentrate. And of course, the concentrate you dilute down into various dilutions. And on the back of the bottle, it has descriptions as to the various different recommended dilutions that we recommend. I'm using the medium solution, and I'm going to spray this on, and I'm going to just wait for just about 10 seconds. Now, you have to keep in mind that there's a lot of different products out on the market, but very few products are products that you want to use on furniture or cabinets because it'll harm the coating of the furniture or the cabinet if you leave it on for too long, or even a little bit sometimes. So ProSol Works is specifically designed not only for cabinets but everywhere else in the home, and that's why ProSol Works is so versatile in its applications. And so now I've this has been on here for a few seconds. Now I'm just going to wipe it down. So ProSol Works is cutting through the dirt, the grime, the grease that's stuck on, and it'll extend the life of your cabinets by quite a bit if you keep the cabinets free of the grease that gets stuck on these cabinets. So that's a tip for cabinets and cleaning your cabinets with ProSol Works. I hope you consider this, and thanks for joining me. Take care.